In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Ubisoft account to PlayStation. Step 1, open your Ubisoft account and then go to your profile. Step 2, scroll down and click Account Management. Step 3, you have to locate account information here. So you have to tap Account Information. Now, step 4, you have to scroll down and then look for link account. Step 5, you can now link your Ubisoft account to your PlayStation. Also, we have Discord, we have Facebook, YouTube. You can also link your Ubisoft account to your Xbox. Also, we have here Twitch if you want. So you just have to go to this area and then click or link. Again, go to your account, go to account information, scroll down and look for link accounts. So that's how easy it is. Now you should always remember and be aware that the mechanics of cross-play and cross-progression may result in permanent changes to your games if you link or unlink external accounts. A permanent connection is made between two accounts when you link a platform account to your Ubisoft account. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.